Philip ata.
Quality. Oh, yun.
Oh, yun.
Okay.
Um,
So, may ideal girl ka ba? Like, you look for physical appearance or
I'd say
personality?
physical appearance is probably not the priority.
Mm-hmm.
But what I look for in the personality of a girl is someone that hindi mo lang, you won't just see as your love.
Mm-hmm.
Someone you'll see as your best friend. Someone you can do anything with or go to anytime. Just for me, someone I'm super comfortable with in whatever we do, whether
Parang sasakyan ka sa trip mo.
exactly exactly that. That's the best translation for it.
Uy, may tanong ako. Sa nanonood sa atin ngayon sa ating YouTube channel.
Meron.
Ayan, sobrang dami. Sobrang dami nanonood sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook natin. Are you guys enjoying the conversation, the interview with Zaren? If you're enjoying, say ho-ho naman, no? Say ho-ho!